Hey guys, so I decided to enter in the Mene pumpkin carving contest. I decided to buy myself a big pumpkin and some carving materials, and I thought I'd make a video out of it and show you guys what I'm up to. So to first carve a pumpkin, you're gonna have to cut the top off, and then we're gonna have to gut it, and then we're gonna carve away. Watch and learn. Okay, so I've carved many pumpkins in my life, and a tip when you carve the top of the pumpkin, definitely put it at an angle, so this way when you pull the top off, it won't fall through when you put it back in. All right, so here we go. I have cut around the top, as you can see, and I'm gonna rip it off now. Kind of difficult. Oh, nice, here we go. And I'm just gonna saw off this main gut part. Ta-da! We're totally going to gut this, and I'm just gonna scoop out all the stuff in there. So I've got a little scooper. Here we go. I totally forgot how nasty it feels in here. It's like, it's really squishy and it feels like intestines. I don't really know. I've never actually touched intestines, but if I did, I think that's how it would feel. I mean, it is the gut of the pumpkin, so you know. The pumpkin is completely gutted, and now we're gonna take my stencil and I'm gonna tape it on top of the pumpkin. So as you can see, the paper is taped on top of the pumpkin, and now what we're gonna do is we're going to carve it. And I'm just going to push holes. So I'll make holes all along so I know where all the markings are, and I'll take my paper off and then I'll carve the pumpkin out. So as you can see, I have put holes outlining all of the areas I want cut out. And now I can remove the paper. Ta-da! And now you have an outline of where you're supposed to carve. So let's get started. As you can see, ta-da! I finished my pumpkin carving, but since this pumpkin is for Mene, we can't just leave it orange. Mene is a 24 karat investment jewelry company, so I decided to spray paint the pumpkin gold. Alright, so we're gonna spray paint this sucker gold with gold paint. Do you want to see the final reveal of our Mene pumpkin? It's so freaking cute! Check it out! Dun 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 dun! Mene! You guys get it? Mene? Nay! Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to make a pumpkin, and specifically if you're going to enter in the Mene contest, here's how to do it. Alright, thanks for hanging out, guys. See ya, bye!